our guests come to see Basko and his mom Sohni on the Maharajah jungle trek, they can expect to see Basko learning and practicing all kinds of tiger skills. So you might get to see him running, crouching, interacting with his enrichment, maybe climbing, all kinds of exciting things as he explores a new space. A lot of work went into preparing for this birth and a lot of partnerships between different teams here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Disney is really focused on conservation, and there are only 600 Sumatran tigers left both in the wild and in managed care. So it's really critical that we're able to breed these animals for assurance populations, as well as so people can see them and really make a connection with the species and hopefully take action to save those habitats.
So it's been really exciting, especially for me personally, just because I've been here sort of every step of the way with him. I was here when we put his parents together for every ultrasound, and so it's great just to see him, you know, from ultrasound to actually being here with us now. So he's very curious about the world around him, so he's interacting a lot with his enrichment that we give to him. He's starting to play more with his mom Sohni. He can also be a little bit shy about new things, but he's got mom Sohni there to encourage him and let him know that everything's